Communication lost.
If you ever find yourself in a situation where your drone disconnects, if your drone loses connection or takes too long to reconnect, follow these steps. Close the Surveyaan app completely. Reopen the app from the beginning to refresh the connection. Once the app is restarted, you can attempt to reconnect to your drone. Tap on the eye icon on the left side of the Surveyaan app workspace. Here you will see four options: drone location GPS, location GCS logs, and turn on GPS. To find your drone's exact location, tap on drone location from the dialog box. This will open Google Maps with the drone's coordinates. Select your current location within Google Maps. Click on Start and select the walk option to begin navigation and determine the distance to your drone's last known position. Once you reach the last known coordinates of the drone, search within a 150-meter radius of that location. Additionally, bring your base station with you to enhance the chances of locating the drone more quickly, as there is a possibility of re-establishing communication. Thank you for watching.